First, you need to use your hands to find the point here in the use a little force. Then you can disassembling the black piece and take out all the ink stains. You have done this. And use the iron wire, put it back to the ink cartridge.
Okay.
And also the other side, back to the ink cartridge, and try to find a point and use a little force to push it.
就在这个点，这个的背后。
The point is beside of the here. You can try to find it, and you can remove this part, and use unscrew the screws, loosen it. The first one here, and the second one.
我操，这个太大了，我得画个小。
Right here, you can find it. The two screws. After you loosen the two screws, and use your hand to take the print hand out and check the canvas. Here you can unplug it and check the silk part on the canvas. If there will be ink or something else, and also check the print hand.
Okay.
So first you need to plug the two canvas to the print hand. Please insert tightly. And you can use the paper. And so you can put it back to the ink cartridge. Then tighten the screws.
左右就上下对角线2颗。
And then put these pieces back to and insert the ink sinks.
MC 是吧？正常是 MC。
black pieces and put it back to the ink cartridge. Okay, then put the. Okay, so then put the iron wire back to your printer like this.